There we are.
Hi.
It's the 26th of May, Wednesday, and it's kind of dark in this, but little rascal's snuggling with mom.
Yeah,
It's
she just
cute.
needs to snuggle every now and then.
It's
A good old-fashioned
really
snuggle.
loud. So, look at her. Hi! Hi, Smiles.
I think it's her teeth.
Oh, do you?
Oh, yeah, I do think it is her teeth. Her gums are
She
flat.
normally doesn't do this unless she's not feeling well.
Yeah.
But it's cute.
Yeah.
You suck it on your fingers. Mama and daughter. That's adorable. And we leave in 2.5 days
Yikes.
for the big trip. Hi. What are you doing?
Do you say hi?
Hi.
Burp. She's like, that's it.